Hare Krishna. Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. And this is a video on Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Quran Sharif. This is only for Hindu Muslim unity, and I am going to talk about Ayatul Kursi. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Quran Sharif. I am having Quran Sharif, and I have been reading Quran Sharif from last 1 year, and I came to know about many things from Quran Sharif. I would have to say we all have to respect Quran Sharif, because Quran Sharif is a base book for humanity. We all have to understand from Quran Sharif we can learn how to behave, how to consider with the right virtues and good conduct on the basis of Quran Sharif. And many people having a wrong concept about jihad and all, so we can only get a clarifications of this all the concept while reading of Quran Sharif. So let's get into Quran Sharif. First one is Surah Al-Fatiha. Surah Al-Fatiha. Here Prophet Allah here stated Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman Rahim Malike Yamuddin Iyaka Nabudu wa Wayaku Nastin Iyadina Siritaz Mustaqim Siratal Lazina Anapatma Alami Gariyal Magadiyobi Alamiha Baladalin. Here Allah Prophet stated Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Qul Huwallahu Ahad. Allahu Samad. Lam Yalid Walad Walam Yakul Kufuwan Ahad. This is Surah Al-Fatiha. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Qul Huwallahu Ahad. Allahu Samad. Lam Yalid Walad Walam Yakul Kufuwan Ahad. Here stated, praise to be Allah, praise be to Allah, and cherisher and sustainer of the world. Allah is a cherisher and sustainer of this entire world. Most gracious and most merciful. Allah is the most gracious and most merciful. Master of the day of the judgment. Allah is the master of the day of the judgment. You do we worship, and you aid do we seek. Show us a straight way. Lord Krishna, the name of the meaning of Lord Krishna, the meaning of Lord Krishna name is to show a right path, to bring you out from the particular darkness and show you the right and lead you toward the light side. That is called Krishna. Here Allah is showing you a straight way, right way, the way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, and those who is not breath, who don't go astray, This is Quran Sharif, and this is mentioned in Quran Sharif. Let's get into Ayatul Kursi. Ayatul Kursi, this is my most favorite verse of Quran Sharif, and I came to know about many things from Ayatul Kursi. So Ayatul Kursi is most important, and we all have to daily we all have to read Ayatul Kursi, and we all have to pray to Allah, because here this is all kind of opium of Lord, means about Lord or Allah. It's about Mahima of Allah. We can say Allahu illahi illa hawai hawahu qayyum illa takuzi sinatum wa la lama lahu ma fisa ma vati wa ma fi irada ma jilli yafusin illahu illahi izze ya lamu ma baini adihim wa ma khalifahum wa la yahuduna bi shay'in ma illahi illa bima sa wa hi kursu yasu ya sama वती वा अर्द वाला याहुदू हिफाजु मा वा हवई इल्ला अलियाहु आज़मी. Here Allah, here stated about Allah, here the description about Allah, here stated Allah, there is a no God, but He is the living. Allah is a living legend. Allah, here is a not God. Allah is not God, but He is a living person. He is a living with all of us. Allah is a witness of all our sinful activities, all our activities, and the self-subsisting, eternal, and no slumber can seize Him nor sleep. Means no slumber can seize Him nor sleep. And he are all the things in the heaven and also on earth. He is also in heaven as well as on the earth. And who is there that can be intercede in his presence except as he premitas, and he knoweth what apparent his creature as, and before or after or behind them, nor shall they compass out of his knowledge except as his willing. Means nothing beyond his knowledge. He knows everything. And his throne don't extend over the heavens as well as on the earth. And he is filled, not fatigue in the guzzling and also preserving them. And for he is the most high and the supreme in the glory. Allah is the most high in the supreme in the glory. While reading of this particular Ayatul Kursi, we can come to know about the supreme opulence of particular Lord or Allah. Allah means Lord Krishna stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, I am the supreme personality Godhead. And if you come to know me about me, you have already reached to everything, you have already known to everything. If you know me, then you have already known to everything. So Allah here stated, try to know about me. I am living beings. I am living with all of us, in between all of us. Here Allah stated. So Lord Krishna here stated, I am the supreme personality Godhead. And if you surrender unto me, then you surrender unto the supreme personality Godhead. I shall deliver you the salvation and make you free from your all kind of sinful activities. So you don't have to fear. You don't have to fear to surrender unto Allah, and you don't have to fear to surrender unto Lord Krishna. Both are similar to each other. So this is all about Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Ayatul Kursi. Ayatul Kursi and the verse number 66, chapter number 18 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is Sarva Dharman Paritejante Mame Ekam Saranam Vajra Aham Tam Sarva Papebhyo Mokshashyami Masula. This is a great similarity between Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Ayatul Kursi. Here Lord Krishna said Sarva Dharman Paritejante Mame Ekam Saranam Vajra Aham Tam Sarva Papebhyo Mokshashyami Masula. सभी धर्मों का त्याग करके मेरी शरण में आ जाओ पार, तुम्हें तुम्हारे सारे कर्मों से मुक्त कराऊंगा, तुम्हें मोक्ष दिलाऊंगा. Here Allah stated, I am the supreme gracious. If you surrender unto me, then I will show you the supreme mercy on you, and I will definitely draw you toward the right path. So you just have to understand this thing. So this is all about Ayatul Kursi and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I hope you all can understand. If having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Khuda Hafiz.